Hi guys, so now we are in Temple Tree Hotel in Shirdi and we're just about to check in. It's quite exciting and we would like to show you how the hotel is. What are the facilities that we get in the hotel? Divya and I are really excited and so we just reached the lobby and we'll show you how the process works. Actually, Divya has all the paperwork. Okay guys, so now we're going to be showing you the room in which we checked in. This is the senior suite room, the largest room in this Temple Tree Hotel. It's quite expensive, but it is definitely worth it. Okay, so in this area we have the living room. Yes, this is the living room. This is a suite room, so we have a living room. And we have a nice TV also right here. So you can chill and enjoy. Nice comfortable sofas and that's the TV, yeah, right there. And we have tables here, dining table, so if you want to order in-house in-room dining you can have it here. And we have a separate washroom in this area, so this is a separate bathroom. You can see, you can come inside and see. So this is a separate bathroom. We have a washroom, toilet and even a shower on this side. It's quite comfortable. Look at the size. Look at the size. This is big. Yeah, this is big, and all the toiletries are provided. This is the only 4-star hotel in Shirdi. So if you are in Shirdi and you're searching for a good accommodation, this might be the right place. But I think we're talking in the right place. We're talking inside the toilet and it's echoing. Okay. So I'll show you the master bedroom. Okay. So this we have a slider to separate the guest from the room. So this is the master bedroom. This is a sofa cum bed, which also have, which is a sofa, but you can expand it into a bed. This is the bedroom. It's quite comfortable. As you can see, it's big. And then just stay right there. I'll show you the lights. Not the lights, the curtains, the view behind the curtains. It's going to be blinding. It's going to turn off the camera, like it's going to just make the camera backlight. But the windows are huge. So you can see, this is why we chose this hotel, because we love big windows. Probably you have noticed us, we love big windows. And this is a good natural light. The view here is the field view, which you will be getting. And it's quite spacious, as you can see, very comfortable view. I love big glass and I can't stop telling about how much I love big glass. Okay, here we have in times of hunger, this is like a newspaper, but this is their in-house menu. Yeah, they have 24 hours in-house service and they have quite a lot. Yeah, they have sweet dish, they have juices, they have, but they serve all full 100% vegetarian only. Okay, and then this is also quite exciting. This area is the changing room. This is your bathroom changing room. Yeah, it's quite spacious. And another thing is that each room is provided with an iron board and a safe. Now I love iron boards because my clothes, I pack them really bad when I'm traveling, and I would like to have my shirts ironed properly, you know. And then this is the master bedroom, the master bathroom. Yeah, this is the master bathroom. There you go. That's Divya on the camera. Come inside. Yeah, this is the shower. This side is the shower, and on this side, say hi Divya. Yeah, and on this side we have a bathtub. Okay, it's quite fancy as well. So, and again, of course, toiletries are provided. So that now that we are here, might as well I'll go talk to the hotel reception and check if we can get the other rooms and just take a look around for the other rooms and other facilities provided by this hotel. Probably that information might be beneficial for you. And we have also got special booking codes for all of you, our dear friends. And if you're interested to book in this hotel, you can check the links given in our description. In the meanwhile, let me go down and check with the reception if we can get the other room types and show you the videos of those as well. Okay, so the manager of the hotel was kind enough to give us access to show us around of the other rooms. This one is the standard city facing room, and I feel that if you're on a budget, this room might just be enough. Like, it's quite big, it's quite decent, it's really nice. You see, the first is that we have the bathroom over here, and as you can see, it's quite huge as well. Yeah, the bathroom is huge. Yeah, and it's quite spacious. We've got toiletries, and here we've got the coffee and tea maker also provided free of cost. However, we have smaller bottle size. There in the king suite, we have the senior suite, we have the 1 liter bottle. Here we are given 2 500 milliliters bottles, and of course the fridge is also available. And you can see the room. This is the room. TV, LCD TVs is the standard, and that's the sofa cum bed. Okay, that's the sofa cum bed. The bed and the room sizes are really spacious. As you can see, this is where I am. It's really spacious, and you can check this out. This is one of my favorite parts of the hotels. As I said earlier, I love glass. So this is also a glass wall with the bathroom. Yes, and so you can have some romantic time with your couple. This is the city facing room, which makes it city facing. Again, large glass. Okay, and that is the Sai Ashram of Shirdi. Their entire area is the Sai Ashram of Shirdi, and so that's about it. This is the standard room for the city facing view. Yes, and I forgot to mention, this is a sofa cum bed. This is also a sofa cum bed in which you can, if you are coming with kids, 1-2 kids will probably fit inside this quite easily. Okay, so that's about it. I think we have 2 more other room types which I'm really excited to show you, because this hotel is quite comfortable, and that's why we chose this hotel. Come with us. Okay, so now this is the standard room. This is the smallest room in this hotel, and you can see this is the room size. Okay, we have glass windows again, like normal, like all the rooms in this hotel have glass rooms. The room sizes is probably 10 to 20 square feet smaller than the city view rooms, the previous room. And this is also a sofa cum bed, but slightly smaller. And that's it. I mean to say, there's the facilities and everything is the same. Glass doors with a glass window connecting to the bathroom. Slightly smaller bathroom. Amenities are the same. Coffee, tea, sugar, water, everything is provided. Let us see what they provide here. A refrigerator is also the same. You want to come inside and see let's show them what is behind this cupboard. Oh wow! Even the cheapest room in this hotel is provided an ironing board and a safe. So that's really nice. So that's about it. Now there's one more room. There's one more hotel room remaining in this hotel. That's the junior suite room. One grade slightly lower than the room me and Divya booked. That we booked the senior suite room. This one, the one last remaining room, is the junior suite room. And once again, if you're interested to book in any of these rooms in this hotel, if you're interested to book in this amazing hotel, check the links in our description. Okay, so this is the last room that we're going to be showing you. This is the junior suite room. The room size is quite different with the senior suite room, the one we got. And we have a living room here. Yeah, small living room. There is no door over here with the partition from the living room for the guest and the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. And there's only one toilet or one bathroom, but 2 TVs. Okay, so we have 2 TVs. And let's see the bathroom. The bathroom itself is also quite huge. Okay, the voice is gonna be a little echoey. The bathroom is quite huge, yeah. And toiletries, as always, provided. And we are now in the field facing view. So we'll show you how the room is, how the view of the we love glass. Okay, so we have the glass wall. Okay, so this is the junior suite room equipped with all the facilities. Now we are actually quite hungry. We want to go down, have lunch, and check out the other facilities provided by the hotel. Okay, so we even have a souvenir shop here selling all sorts of Shirdi and Bhagwan related items. So if you're coming here to Shirdi for the darshan of the Sai Baba darshan, this might be an ideal spot for you to get various items. We have agarbattis, we have idols.
Some unique pieces also, like this, that is Maharashtra's best artist statues. These statues are actually made by sculpture artists.
Next to the souvenir shop is the restaurant, and I'm actually really hungry. So join us for, let's hope for an amazing lunch. Okay, so we just had lunch and we just would like to have some rest before heading to see the Shirdi and the darshan around in and around Shirdi. We're having the Sai Baba darshan tomorrow, and if you're interested in booking in this hotel, check out the booking codes in our description down below for the cheapest prices for this hotel. This is Raja from Adira Travels. See you next time. Bye-bye.